Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Frankowski. I teach second grade in New Jersey. Today I'm here to discuss the 5 components of literacy and reading and writing strategies to support the components in the classroom. The first component is phonemic awareness, which is the ability to hear the individual phonemes in words and to manipulate the sounds in words. Students can be taught through modeling and through repeated practice to tap out sounds. At, at. Later, there is the component of phonics, which is the instruction of letter-sound correspondence and the relationship between sounds and written symbols. Fingerspelling is a great strategy to support phonics. Let's say a child is trying to hear and identify and write all of the sounds in the word bunk. With their non-writing hand, they can be taught to put the sounds on their fingers. B, k, bunk, b, k, bunk. The next component is vocabulary, and it is a crucial component to literacy as it enhances comprehension of text for students. One strategy that really helps to support vocabulary is an interactive read aloud. As the teacher is reading aloud, she can model and voice over solving a word, decoding one, like village, village. I think that says village. That sounds right, but what does the word mean? She can dig for that meaning, and students will eventually apply that practice independently. Fluency is the next component of literacy, and it is the ability to read a text orally with speed, accuracy, expression, and comprehension. One thing that helps to build fluency is echo reading. A teacher can have a shared text projected in the classroom, read one line, and the students read it back to her, and continue that process. She can also invite another student up to the front of the room to be that teacher reader. That's something that they really enjoy. This could connect to writing because a teacher could choose a shared writing piece, perhaps created by the students and herself, or just the students. So that can be a really fun way to tie in some sort of writing. Later we have comprehension. Comprehension connects to the construction, the integration, and the metacognition. So students glean ideas from sentences, link those ideas from one sentence to the next, tie in their prior knowledge, and then they have to make sure that it all checks out in their brain and makes sense in their brain. To support comprehension, teachers can teach students to retell. Some that are great, the retelling strategies are somebody wanted, but so then, and first, then, next, and finally. It helps students organize the events in order and then kind of fleshes out. You can finish by saying, the lesson is. Some writing strategies are graphic organizers and sentence frames. So a teacher can provide a sentence frame like, the character wanted, or I noticed the character change when, a pattern I'm noticing is, and the students can stop and jot and write down their thoughts about what they're reading. Assessments are very important in the classroom because they help us gather data on students' strengths and weaknesses, and it lets us know areas that need further support in the classroom. It helps us communicate with stakeholders about how our students are doing, and also it informs us and lets us know if our instructional strategies are working in the classroom. Reading inventories are great for this because they give us a baseline for accuracy, fluency, retelling, and comprehension. Turn and talks are a really good informal reading assessment. You can have students turn to each other, exchange ideas about a question that was posed by the teacher, and then check for understanding that way. 2 powerful technology resources to support reading and writing are Epic Books and Storyboard That. They really pique students' interest. Finally, a reading specialist should be able to be present in the classroom and communicate always with teachers, students, and administration. She should listen when teachers express their needs. She should support PLCs and give those PLCs guidance. She should keep up to date with best practices and always be the teacher and the student advocate in the school. Thank you for listening. Bye.